What is up, everyone? I am gonna be working on the Jetta. I got a brand new battery for her. She hasn't been started and going on 2 months, so I want to get some oil through her, make sure she's up to par, see if there's any new lights on the dashboard. Then if there is any lights, go from there, fix her up, make sure she is running great. So we're gonna see what's going on with her today. So here's the battery, and yeah, let's get it started. So I did have a thing for this, but I can't find it. It was a little broom, but you know, taking them up from the house, gotta come up with something. Yeah, it wasn't my truck, it's not in the truck anymore. Thought it was in the back of the Jetta, it's not in the Jetta anymore. So let's see what we got. So I don't know how the audio is on this. If it is good, great. If not, I'll figure out something for you guys while I am wearing it. Because I want you guys to be able to hear me. The other camera's over here. It's only A6000. So yeah, let's clean this up, get the battery in, get a start up after, like I said, a few months. Give it her a nice little bath. Oof, look at that. So that thing's been rattling against that. You know, if I do decide to keep this car, it will be the channel car. You know, I will do the full IS38 swap or the CTS swap. We'll see what numbers we get off of that. Clean her up. Thinking about getting off of coilovers and going bags. Gross. She is dirty. But yeah, anyways. Thinking about going coilovers, or sorry, thinking about going bags. You know, get her on an air ride and make her fast. You know? So yeah, let's get the battery installed. Alright, here she is. Battery's in. I still have to put this in. I'm gonna take some of the rust off of this, clean it up, put it back in. Alright, now where did my wrench go? The truck is a mess. These are all old tools. My toolbox isn't in yet. I ordered one off of Amazon. This is it. Ordered one off of Amazon. It should be here in a couple of weeks. Since I live super, this isn't the right one. Let's get it tightened down enough. Finger tight. Anyways, like I was saying, I ordered it off of Amazon. It was a cheap one because I am building a carport here. I do rent, I don't own, but I am making a portable carport. Found this like Big 10 thing. It's supposed to hold up to 3 cars. It is 75 feet by 15 feet. So each car will have its own little port. It's gonna be like a canopy type thing. The whole back area is gonna be all the way up against the house. I think I'm gonna leave the fence area because I do park cars back there and bikes when I'm not in the process of working on them. Then I will be able to take all the junk out of the truck, all these parts that I have over here laying around, and I can build my shed. The shed will be probably here, right in front of the hose. I'm just not sure yet. But anyways, let's go back to the car. All right, she's in. She's tight. We're gonna do startup after 2 months. Jesus, I'm nervous. I'm excited. All right, let's see if I can sync that camera up right with this. It's gonna be the first time I'm using 2 cameras. All right, break down. Key not in. see if we have any lights. Tire pressure light. Anything else? I know that's from the battery being unplugged. There's this and this. I think the brake and the steering. I do have my parking brake up. Let's walk around. Don't worry, I did check the oil before I started her, just to let you guys know. Sounds good from back here. I forgot how low she is. Brakes don't sound good. I don't know if it's because they've been sitting for a while. Because I've started the car multiple times since she's been down. I just haven't driven her. It's been 2 months since I started her, but for about 6 months I started her up at least once a week. She is feeling great though. I forgot how low she was. I can tell you that much. I'm trying not to get on boost. I'll give a little bit of boost, but she is still kind of cold. I want to get some heat in her first. It's gonna stop. Oof. Alright, so I don't see any lights. Did you guys? I've seen everything disappear. Guys, when I tell you I miss this car, I miss this car. I think we clean her up. Alright guys, obviously I didn't give her a full detail. Just a little wash. Rinse and wash. Get her to look a little bit better. Since she has been sitting outside for a while now. Not like touched, not moving and stuff like that. So she is looking good, guys. Now, next thing will be this obvious full detail. I'm gonna do a full detail on her. Before I put her down, you know, I was going through some things with the channel, with work, life, home. So I stopped maintaining her, and plus I was already in the process of buying this. So it was like no love, wanting, needing. So we're gonna show her some love in the next video.